ear go stand. You sef go laugh out loud. Because why? Nothing better pass na your health.
Welcome, this is na your health on top Wazobia TV, where we the sunch with the correct. I don't want to know this. You get person, I get guests for studio today because not be my Luchi be this. I beg. Mona help me. This is my guest. Let me look my guest.
You Niger half-cast now. Nah, man. Hey. I can't touch out. Like I'm a package.
Because now still na your health with this, so now your health with it. And my name na Dr. Adora, and this now. Introduce yourself. No, I'm not sure. This is not my Niger half-cast. No, I don't know where they carry this.
No. I mean, look at me now. Look at me. Hey, we have proudly designed and fashion and style by Kinabonte. Oh, Kinabonte, I give you standing ovation. All right, this is your Niger half-cast. Lucia no bonksy. Dr. Dora, she don't forget herself. She don't see my packaging. She said today it's on. I'm in a higher P.
Oh, not be my fault, because.
All right, today's show, we talk of P. Yes, today's topic, today's episode, you go there very, very fantabulous, spectacular, awesome-icious. Hey, because we talk about all the things we concern peace. Yes, peace. Yes, we talk about what your peace fit tell you. We go tell you even how you go know whether this your peace or the peace, whether na better peace or the peace, or na baddest peace or the peace. With the talk peace now, it isn't a joking thing, no. No be joke we can't do for you. We get touch your swag. You know, see as I touch myself. See the swagging. I mean, come on, check it out.
Hell,
see my shoe? You see
no,
as I see my
studio.
Shoe? Hey, check it out.
Chineke.
That's the show. That's the touching your swag. We got touch your swag for you on top of the show today because this show, now the only show you they get all the balanced diet of healthy ferment plus entertainment plus edutainment. You will get them for you. But the very first one, your ear got to stand. Go anywhere.
No go anywhere. Now your health will soon return.
Things where you supposed know about the heart. If you dey happy well, it fit make you no get heart disease. The number of heart attacks where they shelle, they plenty pass for Christmas and New Year time. The animal wey been get the heart wey big pass for this our obodo world na blue whale. The size of heart na the size of your two hands when you put them together. Our heart dey beat gbim 100,000 times a day. Make person dey do exercise be one of the koko things to make a heart stand out well. And to do am na free of charge. Every minute, your heart dey pump 1,500 gallons of blood. Make person dey get heart cancer no dey common at all, sake of say heart cells dey quick stop to dey multiply. If you chop better food, your heart go dey kampe without any gbege. The first machine wey dem create to help the work wey heart dey do, dem bin dey connect am to socket wey dey for wall. That one mean say person wey dey use am no fit carry am waka comot for house. Sabi people say if you get heart, e fit help make you no get heart attack. To dey get orgasm 3 times a week dey reduce as person fit get coronary heart disease. How the heart dey do gbim dey change if you dey hear music. E go come dey beat the same as the music. The left lung small pass the right lung so that the heart go get space to sit down inside body. Multivitamins fit increase as person dey catch cancer and heart kwanta. Vegetarians wey be people wey no dey chop animal flesh like chicken, meat or fish no dey likely to die of heart palava. To dey chopulate dark chocolate every day fit to reduce the risk of heart wahala.
Now your health will return.
Welcome back. This is still now your health on top your Wazobia TV, where we summarize you with all the correct information to make sure say your body, your soul, and everything will concern you today very, very cajad. Yes, the matter where they ground today, it concern peace. Yes, peace where you they pass for toilets and the different things where that's your peace where you they look so go fit tell you for your body. Things if it tell you waiting they wrong, if it tell you waiting they good. So now definitely the thing we want Sunch give you today. And if you want chook mouth on top the matter, you know as we they do them now. We dey on top Facebook, we dey on top Twitter, we dey on top Instagram, and we even get our own email where you for fit send us your contribution or your question. Yes, so peace matter. The first thing where your peace fit tell you. Now say you don't carry belly. It gets one hormone where they call human, in fact, now HCG that they call them. If you want to know the full name, go waka go that place where I say make you the waka go make you for here. But ma just help you small. Human choriogonadotrophin. Now waiting there they call them. Now be the name of this enzyme. And they get as they take measure that enzyme inside urine. That now why they talk say if you be woman and you want to know whether you don't carry belly, you carry this stick peace early morning. And you go know whether you don't carry belly. So that's now one of the first things where your peace will tell you.
Another one where your peace will to tell you, if it to be say you don't get a wound or medical condition. Now, if your red blood cell they inside your peace, you get one condition they call Amadora Beg, be like say you go pronounce am for me. The medical condition if you get red blood cell for inside
hematuria.
Yes, hematuria. And if you get that kind of condition, that means say if you get some kind of disease like kidney stone, or you get wound when they do some kind of exercise, maybe they run, you can't fall for ground. That wound fit lead to red blood cells make a day for inside your piece. Another one we say when you dey piece and the odor of your piece, they get some kind of sweet smell. My sister, my brother, you are thinking it's a good thing that your piece is smelling sweet. If it be say na diabetes you, if it be say na diabetes, and if you get another kind of condition where maybe you dey over 35 years and your August visitor is not the heavy, even the number of piece where you dey piece so, some kind of condition go there and per se, and doctor, you know, say that doctor then go always confirm this thing. Not just believe the thing we will talk, so you got to meet your doctor. Then fit talk say na fibroid. So any change in your piece, I beg, waka go meet your doctor. No, they sit down, they say, my piece not turn yellow, it don't turn pink. It is not a good thing.
You know, say this piece matter. Plenty people not even look their piece. They go just piece finish, just flush toilets like that. It good make you they turn back. When you piece finish, if you be woman, you know as you they piece. If you turn back, look am. If you be man, as you piece for front finish, look the color of your piece because they tell you plenty things. From there, shall we go? Waka enter the next one. If you know, say when you piece like this, it be like say the thing you know if you control yourself, you go they run, and then the number of times where you they go toilet don't increase. As in, if say you dey piss maybe 3 times per day before, you can't see say the thing don't pass the normal 3 times. So you dey piss, you notice maybe like you don't piss like 8 times. Or when you piss, the thing they pain you. Get what they call urinary tract infection. Infection don't enter be that. That now another thing where your piece fit tell you say you don't get. And this matter now waiting you go carry yourself jejely. Go hospital, make them for do what they call microscopy. Yes, they go check that your piece, do an experiment on top to find out waiting be the main cause of the urinary tract infection where you get. So if you experience this burning sensation, will be like say they pepper you when you dey piss, or you don't increase the number of times when you dey go piss, or to they drink water they hungry you know say this urinary tract infection don't land for your domot.
Another one we say if you get kitchen and that kitchen you don't stuff am with chocolate wine coffee all those of which them you don't chook am for inside your kitchen, store am for there for inside your kitchen. You just they chop am, they drink am, they lick am, they do am. Hey, this thing they affect the way your piece they be. It affect the color. And all of this one, if you even ginger one kind stress, if you ginger stress, especially women when they under 40. Now women when they under 40, that now people like you and me, and they suffer this kind of thing. So I beg, monitor and watch the way they do this kind of thing, because it affects the way your piece they be. And if it affect the color or the way the number of times you they piece, it affect your well body for inside.
Definitely, my sister, you talk and well. As it they affect the body for inside. Another thing where your piece go tell you, especially when you look the color, it go tell you say you not get water for inside your body. You know, say the normal color of piece, first and foremost, it be like golden yellow. It lights. You know they dark. So if you know say your piece don't too dark, where if you look and notice say this thing over yellow, some people they talk anytime they see that kind of piece, they talk say they get malaria. Not be malaria. Now dehydration, you don't get water for inside your body. So it is very important because this is another thing where your piece fit tell you. If you just notice that one, no say you got to increase the amount of water because we don't they talk for this show, they come say water they good for your body. Because apart from the fact that you go flush out all the toxins, your body they composed of 80% water. So by the time you not replenish this water as they go because of all the things where your body they do. Now that time your piece will come they tell you say, brother, sister, time don't reach, go drink water. So dehydration now another thing where your piece fit tell you. Make you they turn back, they look the piece when you piss for toilet. Not just quick, they flush them like that.
We fit to go on and on and on and on. I don't know, we'll still continue?
No.
We'll
break.
We'll small break. By the time we will come back, other things are going. Not go anywhere. Now your health, now you for your domotsu.
No go anywhere. Now your health will soon return. Now your health will return.
Welcome back. This is still na your health. Now your health, yes. Now you we dey concerned about. We want to make sure say your body dey very, very casual. That now why we dey bring some kind of information where you said you know if you think about can imagine today now peace be the subject matter where we dey discuss and waiting your peace will tell you. So like I dey talk before, if you just dey join us, so not just the peace they flush them anyhow. They look that your piece to make sure say it get the right color and the right consistency because it go tell you waiting you supposed to. We don't sort you some of the other things and right now you get one other one where my sister go release give you now we consign the color. Make you not go anywhere.
Yes, so as we able talk color now, you know say when you go piss, whether not for toilet or for pit, even as you dey piss and for on top sand, you're not supposed to piss for sand. But even as you dey piss and like that, you're supposed to check the color of your piss. Because some people dey with their piss, if it be orange, some people dey with their piss, if it be brown, some people dey with their piss, if it get different colors. So if your piss now orange in color, not too fear. No. We not too the news that we get not too bad, but not too good. Because if you be say they take some kind of fruits where they very, very high in carotene, like carrots, but also if you be say some medicine where they give you, maybe medicine like to make sure say they if push belly medicine, to make sure say they go toilet, that kind of thing them, all those kind of things, if you change the color of your piece. Also, if your piece they like brownish, darkish brown, if you be say you get either kidney or liver problem. We dey talk and say if it be that one mean say you got to check yourself. You got to go and meet doctor. Make doctor do proper analysis from your head go reach the leg. It's a leg gang of your body. So if your piece they brown, if you be say maybe coffee or the kind tea, some kind brown tea, the way they change the color of your piece. So if you be say you get now waiting you they take and they change the color of your tea.
Anyway, from there we go waka enter the next color. You don't ever see say your piece stay blue or green. My sister.
I never piece that one. No.
Well, it gets some people where they piece am na rare condition, but some of the time it depending on waiting person chop. You get one thing where Oyibo they call asparagus. If you chop this one, if you know say you they chop and where that one feel make your piece they blue or green. Another thing where if cause am feel be some kind of medicine where you they drink. It gets some kind of medicine where their own. By the time they don't do all the thing where they want to do inside your body finish, when you they pass them out now, so you go they see green thing. From there, the next color where we go talk about now red and pink. Now this one they fear people pass. Unto say they believe say say na blood. Well, not true. Sometimes when your piece they red, it means say you they piece blood, and that one you get plenty big inside our body. If it cause that one, if it be kidney, if it be liver disease, or even if it be cancer, this one will release this kind of redness inside your blood. But on top of that one, if it be mercury or lead poisoning, like we don't talk some of the things where if it poison your body for this show, if it be one of those things we don't cause this one, and on top all this one, like I talked before, it still gets some kind of big inside our body where if you go one thing go scatter one thing, the next time when you go piece, you go just the piece red or you the piece pink. My sister.
Yeah, different color of piece, so purple, pink, blue, brown. Hey, from that one we go tell you another one to know how your piece they very healthy, they on point. If it be say the number of times when you they piece in a day. Some people they will piece 5 times a day. Some people they will piece 10 times a day. Some people they will piece once a day. And now something don't happen for your body don't change. If you dey piss 5 times a day, you can't notice say na 7 times a day you don't dey piss now. You suppose check yourself, oh, because this change for inside your piss, it dey affect your whole body. That means say something dey happen for inside your body when they change. So this change in frequency, you need to check yourself, pack yourself, waka go the nearest doctor, make you for check am to know whether your change in frequency na good thing or na bad thing.
Another thing where we want check now the change in smell. On a good day, urine gets its own smell. They call them acetone, you get some kind, you know, smell like that. But if gbege don't enter, you go perceive some kind things. You don't see where maybe you go public toilets, go BB, and now only piece if you hear the way the thing. Now you hear.
It's serious here.
If you hear,
if you hear the piece,
if you hear the smell of the piece,
smell of the piece,
hey,
talk for us now. You don't hear the smell for kitchen.
Hey, my sister, not be small thing. So sometimes, if you they perceive some kind things when no just make sense on top your piece, no say gbege don't enter. If you like if person they chop all these plenty things like garlic,
yes,
all those things,
ginger,
all those one go fit they affect because all those things they find how they want to pass come out for inside your body. All the smell go on that they find, so plus your sweat plus your urine, that one to go release all those kind nonsense that bad smell. Then sometimes if you get diabetes, some kind medical conditions, if you get them, that one go they make your piece to the sweet, one kind sweet smell.
Then if you go, if you go by mistake piece from the sand, we ants go just gather,
you know,
and you go think say, hey, ants like my body.
Which kind ants like your body? That one you don't enter baby that to mean say sugar full inside your urine. So it is very, very important. Make you, as we don't talk them before, make you they look them, make you they perceive them, make you for know whether na better one or na bad one before you go see your doctor.
Yeah, so if anybody tell you say you're not supposed to check your piece, tell them say na lie. This piece come up from your body, not by another person's body. So you're supposed to check and know all those things. We go let you know whether your piece now a good piece or a bad piece. But we got to buy a small break. Yes, now and we don't plenty, don't talk. We don't offload plenty gist for you. We go buy a small break. By the time we will come back, our two shoes swag go don't cack ready for you. Don't go anywhere.
We dey come back with more informate on top na your health. So come out your shoe or leave them.
You know, so we will tell you say more continuate go day about the do's and the don'ts for where table manners day, and that's one now the and the So on top to this segment, we will give you some of the when you not supposed to do when you dey go any kind formal dinner meeting. If it be night when na dinner, if it be afternoon when na lunch, as long as na formal gathering where even your boss dey for there, it get some things where you not supposed to. And one of them now to dey put your elbow on top the table. You're not supposed to put your elbow at all on top of the table. What do you go do? Now to put your hand on top your lap. Yes. And if you to use the hand where you want to use chop, if not only fork you go use your right hand. Pick the fork. If not the two of them, you go pick the two, one by each. And when you they even chop that your food safe, another what you not supposed to do. Now to they make sure say the cutlery they make noise. Bam, bam. Banana, it no good now. That sounds no be better thing what you need to do. So when you dey chop, you go dey very, very careful. That's another number 2. No they make noise when you dey use your fork. Another one be say, no they make noise with your mouth as you dey chop. Or you're not supposed to make noise as you dey chop your food. Or even when you chop your food finish, some people the way they do they come out things from there. No be better manners be that. You be bush picking if you they do that one outside. And you know the thing way funny pass. People no go talk. They go just they look you. See that one. That's another number 3. Another number 4. You say when you want chop or you want add salt and pepper to your food, if the salt and pepper, if it's too far, no they stretch your hand, cover another person's food because you want to collect salt and pepper. No. You feel to tell the person where they beside you, say, oh, my sister, my brother, I beg, help me pass the salt and the pepper. And if somebody tell you, say, make you pass and salt and pepper, no be say because that time, say, if you want use salt, you go pork the salt, pack them, put them on top your own wrist first. You go send, first of all, you go first carry the 2, whether not only salt or not only pepper, now the person asks you, you go carry the 2, pass them to them. And now when the person finish, you fit to use them for your own. No be say because the person tell you say make you send that to am, now make you go start to use and do pam. That na number 4. Another number 5. They say as you dey chop food so, no dey chop the whole food like say you never see food chop oh. When you go clear the whole plate so that you go dey shine. Abeg, ejo, mama she ben yen. Chop the food. You fit even remain some if you no like am. But no be say you go clean the whole plate. Nobody talk say make you scatter food on top your table oh. Another na im be that. Instead, arrange the food, pack am for one corner of your plate, make it for neat. So that when they carry am, the person wey dey come carry the food no go see you as one bushmo. That na some of the wey we get for this segment today. But now your health got to carry you go in permanent sight. So no go anywhere because other things are going. Wazobia TV, now TV.
Now your health don't return.
Anyway, we don't dey yarn you waiting concern peace. Me and my agbero, we dey by my side.
No.
What?
No. Look, man. See me, man. See the swag.
See your swag. They don't swoosh your swag. Finish.
Oh, boy. I got him. I said to go.
Now so we don't waka reach here. We don't yarn you the different things where your peace will tell you. I should say you don't learn one or two things. And I should say, as I talk, Seth, that time when we bab small break, you don't rush, enter inside toilets, make you for check the color of your piece. Yes, so they're very important. May I give you my own doctor's advice to you? I beg. They drink plenty water. If you know, say you know the piece where, maybe apart from the frequency where we talk about, the piece where you the piece it is small, and when you go piece, the color they dark, as in they dark where you know they light. That one no good. So make you they try. Drink plenty water. Then if you don't notice some of the smells where we don't talk about, I beg, waka go meet your doctor. Or you don't notice it when you piss, ants gather around. Waka go meet your doctor. Not be something where we go to give you all the solution for here. Now something where your doctor go take in time, test you well, make you for know which particular thing they cause the wahala. Or you they piss blood for inside your urine. That one na hematuria as we talked about before, and a very serious condition where your doctor supposed give you solution to. So make sure say everything where you don't hear today, you take them very seriously and you do all the things where you supposed to do.
I beg, no the shame at all to tell the doctor everything where they worry you for inside your body. Because if you not tell doctor everything that they do you for body, how we go know which solution to give you finally? And as always, on top of this show, we do always pledge, say, I beg, anything where you they do, any market or whether market they sell or on our office you do, I beg, do them peacefully. We they do them peace, wine. Even that peace where you want peace and peace. So with that one, with the I take close the window today. With the close everything, with the tell you say today, make you go in peace. So peace out. And it's a Friday, so it's a swaggy Friday.
Yeah, have a wonderful weekend.
Peace in peace. Peace in peace.